Getting rejected by clients again? Standing there after hearing, "I'll think about it" for the 100th time? Let's be real. You know that feeling. Sales can make the world look gray, and you start feeling drained, wondering, am I just not cut out for this? I'll drag you out of those sales mistakes by force. One warning though, I'm not here to motivate you. That's just sugarcoating, and I don't sell candy. What I've got are tools, a bit of perspective, and a kick to snap you out of it. Ready? Let's go. First, let's talk about why you're screwing up. You're calling clients and asking, "So, what do you think of the product?" Expecting them to say, "Wow, amazing," right? Hilarious. That's just a polite, "I'm not interested." Or maybe you're sending emails and sitting there thinking, they'll reply when they're ready. Yeah, sure they will. You think you're trying hard, but you're half-assing it. Don't tell me I tried, it didn't work. That's an excuse. Sales isn't failing because life's unfair. Okay, it kind of is. But mostly because you're not doing it right. Clients won't chase you. You've got to chase them. Wake up. Let's get real with some numbers. How many clients do you reach out to daily? Einde, Sib. Stats say the average salesperson contacts 8 clients a day with less than a 10% success rate. Why? Their approach sucks. Picture this. You work 8 hours. Take out an hour for lunch, another for chit-chat or coffee, and you've got 6 hours left. What do you do with those 6 hours? Stutter when I ask? Probably checking emails, daydreaming, or thinking, "I'll do it tomorrow." Funny thing is, if you use just 2 of those hours right, things would shift. 2 hours a day, that's 14 hours a week. Hit 20 clients with that, and you might close 2 deals. See? You've got time. You're just bad at using it. To stop screwing up, you need a system. Saying, "I'll meet more clients" is cute but useless. Here's a simple 3-step system. Step 1, figure out their needs. Don't ask, "Do you need this?" That's lame. Try, "What's stressing you out lately?" Get them talking, and you're halfway there. I once asked a guy, "What's keeping you up at night?" Instead of pushing insurance, he spilled his worries for 5 minutes straight. Step 2, timing your pitch. Once they open up, hit them with, "This solves it." Hesitate, and you're done. Step 3, follow up. Within 24 hours, send a quick "check this out." Do this 5 times a day. In a week, you'll hear your sales numbers ticking up. That's a system, making you act, not just dream. Honestly, selling well isn't hard. You're making it hard. It's simple, actually. The problem's you. You've got time to Google sales tips, but not to use them. You watch videos like this, nod, and do nothing. That's not fixing mistakes. That's lying to yourself. Take my buddy. He was a sales newbie, called 10 people a day, got rejected every time. I gave him this system, and in a week, he closed 2 deals. What changed? He stopped whining and started doing. Tech's a tool. Treat it like a toy, and you're the punchline. One more thing, I get it. Sales wears you out. I've been there, coming home after rejections thinking, why bother? But here's what I learned. Cut the mistakes and confidence creeps in. One client saying, "You fixed my problem," can turn that gray world colorful again. You deserve that. Don't give up. Use the system, mess up less. That's how you save yourself. Now the big question, are you really trying? Not just trying, but consistently trying. If you half commit and get nothing, don't blame the world. I've handed you a system, a plan. Ignore it? That's on you. Your move. Tonight, call 3 clients with this system. Don't, and next year you'll be back whining, "Why sales so hard?" Skip that. Start now. For real. You're smart, tough, adaptable, and yeah, kind of cute. So do it. Don't trust me. Trust yourself.